The back of the nose is called what? And the answers are gonna be up here, okay? So you have to just look. We're gonna go through this real quick. The back of the nose is called what? You know, the back of the mouth. The nasopharynx, all right? The back of the nose is called the nasopharynx. See, Chastity, do you know what's inside the nasopharynx that moistens the air, or no? What's inside the nasopharynx that humidifies the air, do you know?
Mocos.
It's up here.
Let me see.
It's up here.
Could you like, yeah.
Turbinates, exactly. So if you don't know that, I would document that. So, inside the nasopharynx, you have the turbinates. The turbinates are like tunnels. Those tunnels help humidify the air, because if the air wasn't humid, if it was just dry, what's gonna happen to the inside of your lung tubes? What's gonna happen? They get chapped like your lips do when you lick them in the wintertime. Okay, they get chapped, they crack, and they bleed. So the air has to be humid so you don't die. So the turbinates make sure that the air is moist. Okay, that's the job of the turbinates. What's the back of the mouth called? This section. What's the back of the mouth called? Oropharynx. Say pharynx. Oropharynx. There you go. Good. Oropharynx. All right. Nothing special right there. We get the tongue.